Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Write 5 sentences about my favorite bird. Number 1. The woodpecker is my favorite bird. The woodpecker has a brown, black and white body with a red head. This makes it a bright and colorful bird. Number 2. It has a long, strong and sharp beak which helps it to peck at wood and make holes in tree. Number 3. It lives in a hole in a tree which it has dug out with its beak. Number 4. It has strong claws to help it to climb to the bark of the tree. Number 5. Woodpecker eats insects and worms. Please like, subscribe and share.